Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Them money the day in my youth. Alone fish and bread from the ends in the night my youth. Alone wine. I tell you dog. Who was I shout it? Well I decide for them. Yo, what you do? Dog, I'm doing a duff cut. What you doing a duff cut? My Jesus body gone dog. It's empty man. It's empty. It's empty man dog. And what do you bury him? What? It gone dog. I don't know. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna call me name Vinny. That me I'm including. So you would do that say come sell out man. Me? Look at silver and gold man. I sell you out to silver and gold? My father see you. You come and talk about me. John, I never did it. Ask him no ask John. Me? I never did it with your brother. I can't swear for you. You say you still? John not me no. Cause John sell me out too you know. You see me sell you out? When you forgot some father can see everything. Just not oh nah. Straight to my you. Look how much time I do the fish and bread dog and you love drink over this song and you. Be you want you drink from you. So I don't find when near one boat you know. You don't find when near one boat so not cheat to that. You see if I don't want to just strike some night in your dog. Jesus take time with them. Just a big food here. Now she both makes the next time you see you know. It's a mad thing here. That top the father but I must see you right now.
We are here at the speed test for the new Pro LTE. Look at him. Off the blocks, nothing but speed. Speed. Perfect formation. Look at that jawline. The cameraman tries to keep up with him. He looks at the cameraman. You can't keep up with me. My calves are too powerful. He is down St. Lucie already. So much speed. Oh my gosh. Back down Wall Street now. Window shopping? No. King George V has nothing on him. Amazing. Wow. Gone down to somebody can't feel now they won't be able to catch him from here. And here comes the competitor. Nothing at all. Up by Gun Hill Signal Station now, boom, 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 gone and it's nothing but horsepower coming around by the Garrison Savannah. Even under the water, there is no stopping him. Amazing. Flow LTE. They thought they could catch him, but they just can't catch him.
Keisha Immigration.
Excuse me. Let me see this. Excuse me, sir. Unfortunately, we have overbooked this flight, and by random selection, we will need you to get the fuck out. Random! Well, tell your random boss, say, me say, him can give up for mother. Come in now, come off of this plane here. Sir, this is not a choice. You will have to remove yourself. Or we can just use physical force here. Physical force? Well, call up the Marine, call up the Special Force, call even Donald Trump. Me now come off of the plane here. You can replenish my time? Sir, for your inconvenience, we are giving you $800 and a hotel room. What? What you say? Sir, we are giving you $800. Stop right there, sir. When we can go collect the money? Sir, you can just collect it at the front desk. Cheryl, come here, go hotel tonight. $800 me get to. Come here, go party to.
Hey, yeah, I'm your neighbor. I live next door. My name is Earl.
Wagwan, Earl.
Yeah, Wagwan. I don't really mean to be a bother, but you're kind of inconveniencing me right now.
Oh, the music. Yeah, man, we can't talk about music. Sorry about that.
It's not the music. Music is good. Well, it's just that you know to say you put your Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi has a password now, and your Wi-Fi me use. So I was wondering if you could, tell me the password. So that's a no then.
Hey, move your bumper clot!
Some people are just selfish.
Top. Facebook era, back at it again. Wonder what go on the newspaper today. Russia, point bomb over here. I go bomb Jesus. Grandma, come! Russia point bomb over here! And I Trump and try to take you out of come. Grandma, come! Me tired of this. Now put up me care for my mask. Grandma, come! Grandma, stop chicken people that can't walk. The people that don't feel can't walk now. Jump and mash up with life. Jump, come take 2 pills. Jesus Christ. Lord.
Mommy, the soap done. Not go so. You take the 2 pieces of soap them, you squeeze them together, and you bathe with it. Mommy, the ketchup done. Stop the foolishness. You just pour a little water in there, shake it up, and you're good to go.
I think I notice it. Why girls do this? Like, why when girls snapping or do them videos on them whatever social network, them do this? Why?
Scaring on people. I don't really know what's going on with me here right now, so don't really watch it. Yeah, but anyway.
Like, what you mean you don't know what's going on with your hair? And you're here, you must know what's going on with it. We don't know what's going on with it. I know you tell we don't watch it, we have to watch it. Fix it here before you snap.
No, man, what kind of blood clot people, man? I want me to know. They don't blood clot here, man. Hello. Why you drive so close to my car? Back up. Them shoes look nice, see, man. Hello, you girl, where you buy them shoes? Them look nice, I like them. Oh, thanks. No, sir, I'll make your ear look so. Hey, girl, suck your mother, girl. Suck your mother, dirty girl. Jesus Christ, man, the blood clot police are come. Me not a blood clot ID, me not a life, me not a fucking insurance. How the blood clot this man, a cross is from a blood clot, man. They man carry me a prison, they man carry me a blood clot. Not to them.
Man, get back in the car!
So, I'll have a large iguana with butterfly gravy. Make sure the iguana is well cooked. I mean, that's it for now. But I'm gonna let my beautiful young lady over here order something.
It's okay, babe. It's okay. Are you sure?
I'm sure.
It's okay. I'm full.
Get whatever you want. Let's get something.
All right. Since you insist, let me get 10 lobster. Let me get 10 lobster then. 10 lobster. 3 for my auntie and 5 for my grandmother. You hear me? I say, hold on. Let me call Everett. Hold on. Everett. Me there with what, boy? You want nothing yam? You might buy out the restaurant. Tell me quick. Where you want?
Me can't hear you. Where you say, what, lobster too? Alright, so we just have to get the lobster right now. We're gonna start off with lobster. Me tell you what I want after that, okay? Alright. That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy, Peace.